Hello traders and welcome to the weekend edition here at Grok Trade. My name's Dez and this video is good through Sunday, July, 16, that'd be July 17th, 2011, and the market's in the week on Friday. Bullish in bullish territory, and we are taking a nice look here. The bullish move that we did get on Friday had a lot to do with Google coming out, beating earnings, and Google, that was kind of fun. Yesterday I did some day trading of it, and did a little day trading today on that, and I'm not sure. Nope, I do not have Google anymore. But all right, what we have here is the symmetrical triangle on the daily. Now, this is what is bullish. We run up, 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 up. We have a bull pullback. We're above the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. We're above the 20-day rising moving day average, and now the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average. Those are all bullish. The part of this that I don't like on the bull pullback is this. We get a higher high, higher low, and then we immediately get a lower high, lower low, and now we have an inside trading day. This is indecision. However, it is a bull pullback, but it's one of the ugliest bull pullbacks I've ever seen in my entire life. All right. Now, we are in the center part of the triangle coming across here. And actually a little lower than that. But right here, if you just do a measurement between these two, pretty centered, right? And the other thing is we do have a negative move here. We did cross down below the histogram, and we really need that to roll higher. But this is a real precarious area that we're in at this moment. I wish we would stayed above the histogram zero line. I wish it wasn't so choppy coming down. But nonetheless, we are in a symmetrical triangle. We do have a bull pullback. That's the bottom line on the daily. Now, the weekly. The weekly, we came up. We had a massive little drop here. We started to rally again. But here's the issue. On the weekly, gang, we have at this moment our first lower swing high in the making. That is a huge problem as far as I'm concerned. Look at this. Oh, I'm on the monthly. Let me get back to the weekly here. Yep. So, look at this. Lower swing high. We're dropping. We have a lot of downside opportunity here, or potential, and it'd be interesting to see if we can stay above this 1300. But if we do start to drop, we will have an inverted head and, or I'm sorry, just a head and shoulder trend reversal pattern on a massive time scale here on the time frame of the weekly chart. And if it does drop, we'll have a neckline that we have to pierce for it to be confirmed, but that would be really no good if we go below 1300 next week. Oh boy, that would be really bad. Now on the monthly, we're starting with this bull pullback. We're actually relatively strong. We're hanging out above here. The problem is on the monthly so far, we need to get above this 1321. 1321 would be nice if we could get above that. We're actually below it at this moment, but we have made a higher high and a higher low. That is bullish, even though we're under pressure at this very moment. Now, here's the Dow. Let's go to the Dow Daily. Dow Daily, big triangle. We pulled back, bull pullback above all major moving averages, and we had some nice volume on Friday. And we are actually above the zero line here on the histogram. So all looks fairly nice on the Dow. The weekly, not so good. On the weekly here, let me bring this up. Oh, actually, I'll bring it down just to here and really blow that up. We have this big symmetrical triangle here. The bodies never got to it last week. We just did a touch and drop, so we did get a shadow getting to the trend line, unlike what we had the previous time we hit this trend line. Now we're dropping. We have a pivot. We're starting with a head and shoulder pattern, but a lot of downside potential. The weekly chart, gang, just looks bad. The weekly chart does not look that great. So just keep a close eye on the weeklies. The monthly, choppy sideways, sideways. We do have a higher high, higher low, but we failed to bust the previous high here. We're staying below 12,814. We got near that, came right back down. So we're kind of at a break even, but an overbought area as far as the stochastics oscillator is concerned. And here's the NASDAQ for those playing Google and Baidu and some others. Apple, Microsoft, and all the other new IPOs that come out on the tech front. But NASDAQ daily, let me get back to the daily. Daily, we have this big run up, nice bull pullback. Well, it's not a nice bull pullback. Again, it's an ugly bull pullback, but we are above the major moving averages, above 50% Fibonacci retracement, and we're above the histogram like it's wanting to curl higher. So it would be interesting to see if we can go higher. See what the week is showing us. The week is saying nope. Not so lucky. We have a triple top in play, trend reversal pattern. We're starting to drop, and we do have a lower high and a lower low on the weekly. And if we make a new low going into next week, there's a lot of downside potential there. The weeklies just don't look good. As far as the weeklies and dailies are concerned, the weeklies outweigh the dailies. The monthly is in indecision mode. It acted like last month, like it wanted to run back up. We get this hammer. Now we just have this run up and down. This is consolidation. The monthly doesn't know what it wants to do, but if it could hang out there the next couple months, that would build a high base formation, which would be more bullish than bearish. Now, here's the Russell's. Russell's daily, a ugly bull pullback above all major moving averages, just slightly below the histogram zero line, but it looks fairly bullish. The weekly, again, not so lucky. Lower swing high. We're starting to head down. It looks like we could get to 800 pretty fast, and that 800 better hold. And then on the monthly indecision, choppy sideways. Market doesn't know what to do. Long lower shadows, a big upper shadow. That's where we're at right now. And then the groups, take a look at this. I want to show you something for the week. This is FinViz. For the week, financials had fallen out of bed. They're down 3.8%. That is not good for the week for financials to be so bearish here. For the month, financials have done the worst. Gang, keep your eye on that. Market's only strong as financials. We're seeing some significant weakness in the financials. 3-month, huge. So wake up to what we're seeing here. You're hearing it here. No one's talking about it. I'm letting you know about it. Financials are weak in a big way. Has a lot to do with the Moody's and the Standard & Poor's coming out saying that they're really the 50-50 chance on slapping the U.S. with a downgrade. And if that happens, a huge chance they're going to be doing the same on major banking institutions. And we are seeing that play itself out right now. All right. Hey, 2 more seats left for the mentorship that's coming up and starting this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's actually next weekend. And all you have to do is send Carolina an email, let her know that you want more information to hear more about it, or fill out the form. Just meet the mentor link on the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and click on Meet the Mentor and fill out the form, and we'll get you some information. All right, take care and safe trading, and share us with your friends if you'd be so kind.